That's me in the new airport, and it's overly complicated. New Terminal A, that's another city, another airport in the airport. Very complicated. So I'm going to try to find my car. At the bridge level here. Should be at the mezzanine bridge. It's a bridge to my car.
Carrying firearms through a TSA.
And we have to cross a road and a river and another road on this walkway, skywalk. The river is actually half frozen. Look at that. Skywalk, and I need to go to the last floor, 603. We even have a view on New York City. On the roof, it's all solar panel. Look at that. All solar panel, so it's not a roof per se. And it should be in here. 603 should be here. 604, no, 603 is the next one. Maybe it's there. Should be here. Is it 603? Yeah, here is my car. Look at that. I found my car. Oh, so happy. My car saved. Look at that. Oh, my car. Let's go. It's the exit. So that's me at the airport to pick up my friend Helen, and I parked at 606. Here we go. It's rather full, so I parked at the top. It's not even it's a rooftop, but with solar panel. We don't see it. Let's go see the airport, and there is a full moon today. I forgot to film before leaving.